What's going on, guys? It's your girls, Ari and Lonnie, and
I'm Mermaid Yanni, and I kind of left my kids kind of at home because the little sister is gonna be at home because she have kindergarten tomorrow, and her big sisters are gonna take care of her.
So it's your girls, Ari and Lonnie. We back again with another video. So make sure you comment down below. Hit
the subscribe button and don't forget to give us a comment.
So don't forget to give us a comment. So today, Alani and I are at Discovery Place.
Science Pier.
So we're just going on a little mother-daughter outing, right?
Yeah.
We're just hanging out today. Mother-daughter outing. So tomorrow, Alani goes back to school after the
Christmas Day.
After the Christmas break. So today is like her last day to do something fun. So we're gonna go here, and then when we get home, we're gonna be doing her hair. Show them your hair, cause she need her hair done.
I wanna like this.
So she just got a simple ponytail right now.
I just wanna like this guy.
Put your head down. There you go. So she just got a ponytail with two little things going on. So we about to go in.
Can I tell them something?
Good.
I love my kids, and my mommy of her grandkids.
So she loves her dolls, and I love my grandbabies because
no, they not.
I mean, not dolls. Kids. Daughters. Come on.
You know, stay for us. Today is a pretty day.
Today is a pretty day?
Yeah.
It is.
Is that the science place right there?
Yes, it is. Thought it was inside? Oh, okay. Water and baby bottles are welcome. All other food and drink are not allowed in the museum. Okay.
This is the science place we went to before.
Yeah, it is.
Why are we going? You said we not been here.
I thought it was the nature one.
Yeah, well, wasn't you joking?
I didn't joke, honey. I just thought.
I thought.
Huh?
Remember Lyric came?
Lyric? I don't think she came with us that time.
Huh?
I don't think Lyric came with us that time.
Yes, he did.
No.
Yes, he did.
Okay. Okay, so Alani and I actually came to the wrong location because they have two locations. So we're about to go to the nature one because this one was the science location. So here we go. Come on, baby. You know you can't sit in the front. You gotta sit in your seat.
No.
Put your seatbelt on.
Put
your seatbelt on.
Can you help me though?
Yeah. Okay, so we're here. It looks like nature. So Alani's over here sleeping. Come on, girl. Sleepyhead. Come on.
Good morning.
You ready?
Good morning.
Good morning. It's the afternoon, child. Come on.
But I thought it was nighttime.
You thought it was nighttime.
Yes.
It is daytime.
I'm tired.
You took a nice little nap?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. You was trying to get some energy?
Mommy, look, those spiky things are from the beach.
They are?
Yeah, those spiky things.
Okay.
They make your foot bleed.
They do?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. All right, so let's
We
see.
don't want to step on those.
It looks like a nature trail or something, Lonnie. Look over there.
Where's the park go?
I don't know. Oh, thank you so much. I do not know, girl. I think so, but we gotta go check in first with our tickets.
Okay, checking in.
Yeah? I can't believe how hot it is today. Well, not hot, but it's not cold like it was the other week.
Yeah, it's just perfect and warm.
Yeah. You don't have to wear a big coat. When I gotta finish checking you in, okay?
Okay, well, can I go over there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What's over here? Look. These is in here.
Mommy, look at birds.
You see birds?
Yeah, birds.
Okay, let mom check
What
in,
are
okay?
these? What are these?
Ostrich.
What are these? Why is not moving his
Baby, that's not a real owl. That's not gonna be, I hope it wouldn't be moving. That would be scary. Stuck in the, so that's called a barred owl. Or barred, yeah. Okay, let's see what's in here.
Mommy, I saw the fish. Look
Where?
right there.
Oh, I do see them. There's a couple of them.
Mommy, look a frog. Oh, I thought that was a frog.
It looks like it's moving.
Yeah.
What is that first? Let's see. That is so this is a woodcock. Say woodcock.
Woodcock.
And that is a common snipe.
Common snake.
And that back one is a green-backed heron.
A greenback heron.
High five.
Mommy,
you go.
come look at this.
That's a wild turkey.
I'm a
You know how we eat
turkey.
Do it again.
I'm a turkey. Butter.
Yes, of course. So this is a, look, common snapping turtle. It lives for 40 years. Say 40 years.
40 years.
That's a long time.
Well, why?
And this is what it eats. It eats animals. It eats small animals.
Like a bird.
Yes, it eat that. And plants. It likes to eat
Mommy,
plants.
can I tell you something?
What?
I'm a turkey.
Turkey.
Okay, we're going to
He moving, sorry.
Oh my god, I was going to take you.
You're over it. I love it. I want a turtle.
Mommy, I saw it move his neck. Mommy, I see him move. Oh!
That is so cool. Look at his shell and his feet.
I see. Can we go into
That's amazing.
play now?
Yeah, go ahead. That is amazing.
Ooh, this is a cool place.
It
We need
is.
to see some animals. What is this, Mommy?
These are, this
Cockroach?
is a beetle up here.
Ah, is it
And that's a
real?
cockroach. Yes. Ew.
Is it real?
Yeah.
Like
Okay, so it says, am I an insect? So an insect has 3 body parts and maybe 6 legs. So how to play? Pick up one of the hanging cards you think is an insect. Push it through the opening. This is the opening at the bottom. If the green light comes on, you are correct. Your card has an insect on it. If the red light comes on, try again. Okay, so pick up one of those cards that you think is an insect.
Is it have 3 eggs?
Let's count the legs.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it says an insect has 6 legs and 3 body parts. So yeah, you was correct. Wait, I think, yeah. Put it in there. Let's see.
Oh, I came
Good job. Let me see. Let's do it again. Good job. That's a great job. Now do another one. How about a wasp? Does that have 6 legs?
Let's see.
Count them.
1, 2, 3.
So is that 6?
No.
No. So put it in. It's probably going to give us a red light. See?
Oh, green egg.
No, it gave you red. See?
No, and it also gave me green. Yeah.
But it doesn't have. Oh, it did. Wow. So a wasp has 6 legs?
What?
1, 2, 3. Oh, it do. Mommy can't count. Mommy
Do
can't.
this.
Okay, do that one. That's a centipede. That have more than 6. I know that ain't no insect. It might be, y'all. Let's see. It's no. Okay, let's look at the butterflies. You wanna look at the butterflies?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's a cloudless sulfur. Say cloudless sulfur.
I don't want to do this thing.
Say cloudless sulfur.
Cloudy sulfur.
This is a
Mommy,
orange.
look, I can move it.
Yeah. Look at this one. This is a monarch.
Monarch.
Look, this one. It's
Mommy.
beautiful.
Mommy, look when I put on this. The butterflies.
So let's see what kind that is. Can you find that colored one up here? I think I see. I think it's a monarch.
Mommy, I see it right there.
The monarch?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a polydamas swallowtail.
Mommy, it's growing.
It is. It's beautiful. Oh, look. This is called Painted Lady. Look at this one called Painted Lady. Ain't that cute?
Yeah.
And this says Morning Cloak. Oh, this is the queen, Lonnie. This says queen. This is the queen butterfly.
I know. Can I just wait until this video done?
Oh, okay. Fine. Girl. Bugs are gonna get you? Okay, so let's see. Oh, it's flying squirrels in here, Lon.
Where?
Let's see if we can find one.
If we find one, that means...
This is how it looks. Look. Tell me if you see it. I wonder if he in his little cage. Oh, I think he in his cage. Yup. Over there. You see him?
his eyeball.
You see it moving? It's over there. All the way.
I see his mouth.
You see it? Yeah. He in there. In the little hole.
How he gonna get out?
He must be. He come out through the hole.
Oh.
He must. It's a possum. Oh my gosh. I hate possums. It is a
I hope he
possum.
don't try to break.
He won't, baby. He's sleeping. I can't believe they got a possum in there. That is so cool.
Hurry up.
Yes, baby. We trying to get all the footage for your video. Remember?
Yes,
You rushing your mommy.
what is that?
There go the snake in there.
What is that?
What is what?
That.
That is a Virginia possum.
Oh. Mommy, let's see what is in this thing.
This is a tortoise.
Tortoise. Let's try to find a tortoise.
It's hiding somewhere in there. Oh, it's back there. You see it? It's all the way in the back under that rock.
Oh, I see his cell.
Yeah, there he is back there.
What is this?
Yep.
What is this?
That is a
Mommy, you can see a turtle.
yellow belly slider.
Mommy, look.
You see it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Don't do that. No, ma'am. You won't fall in there. There goes another
Mommy.
turtle.
It's climbing.
I see.
Mommy, you can see with a mommy turtle.
Oh,
Hi, mommy turtle.
mommy turtle. That's a Trachemus scripta.
Why is it not moving?
I don't know. He don't feel like moving.
Maybe he's... Mommy, I saw his eye move.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
He's moving his next... Oh, my God.
He's saying hi to you.
Hi.
These are green tree frogs.
Let's try...
You see they stuck to the, what you call it?
I know. Let's find one down here, too.
They all up there, girl. They don't want to be down there.
Why?
I don't know. What's over here?
Oh, my God.
Another snake. Wow. Look at these. So this is an albino corn snake.
What is that one?
This one says a copperhead.
Mommy, look, his tongue is sticking out.
And this one is called a milk snake. That one over there is milk snake, and this is a corn snake.
That one look at Dory.
You do?
Yeah. Then this one.
Pine snake.
Let's see if we can find a pine snake.
Let's see.
Where's the pine snake?
This one is hiding somewhere.
This one is tricky.
Very tricky, right?
Yeah.
I don't see it.
If it will climb right there, we will never find it. I think it did climb up there.
Yeah, it must be hot.
Mommy, look, the mouses.
I know, poor mice.
How many mouses?
Tell me how
there?
many you see.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. So how many mice is there?
3.
Good job.
Let's go back and
No, this way. We got more things to see. Throw mama hand. Alrighty. Let's see. What else? Shelter. It says, why do some animals go underground for shelter when it is too cold or hot? Probably. Look like a fake squirrel. So why do you think animals go underground when it's cold?
Because they are so freezing.
So they want to do what?
Go underground.
To stay warm? You wanna go inside the slide?
Yeah, can you go with me?
Oh no, ma'am. Mommy's gonna be here on the other side.
How do we,
Oh.
how do we go up the sky?
Let's see. I think you'll come out this way, so we go in that way. And then I'm gonna wait for you on the other side. You scared? You wanna go up the stairs? Okay, go ahead.
Here.
Oh, there you go. Good.
No.
Don't be afraid. No?
Out here?
Out there.
No.
On the trail?
I don't want to walk on the trail.
No?
No, I want to be in here.
Okay. Let's see what's over here. Oh, come here, Lon. Oh, it's more bugs.
Ooh, are these blue bugs in here?
Yeah.
A tortoise. What is this?
This is a race runner. That's
No.
a salamander, baby.
Snake.
That's a snake. Yep. You want to look in the the heck is this thing? I can't remember what this is. This is a microscope. Want to look in there? Okay. Sit on it. Sit on your seat. Okay. So let me see. Let mommy look too. So this is fox fur, baby. This is hair that's on a fox. You see it? It's very
Mommy,
straight.
I want this.
Look at the butterfly wing. Move it up. Wow, let mommy see.
I don't see nothing.
Yeah, we might need to. Hold on. Wait, why we can't see that? Hold on, now. Let me see. Move it up.
You see anything? Let me put it on. Let me put it
I
on.
don't even see anything. I wonder if this thing works.
Mommy,
What?
you don't see nothing.
Okay, let's try something else. Look at the dragonfly wing. Can you see that one? Yeah.
It's clear.
Yeah, it is clear. Oh yeah, I seen it. Move it again. Yeah, I see the lines. Let's see what else they got.
I want to get out of here
You
now.
wanna get out of here?
Let's look at this first.
Okay.
Mom, yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's put them back in here.
Okay, you wanna put them back?
Mommy.
Yeah, I'm about to get them to you. Put them in the slot.
Some can be in this one. I need to get down.
I'm not leaving you, baby. Where am I gonna go? You're always talking about don't leave her. Where am I gonna leave? Why would I leave her? So these are tools that beekeepers need. So people that deal with bees, that stings. So they need, look. So if you dealing with bees, you need a hat and a veil because you don't want the bees to get your face like.
Mommy!
And then look, they need a hive smoker because the smoke calms them down.
Yeah, keep me up. I can't really see.
Yeah. So the hive smoker produces smoke to calm the bees down, and then you see that tool right there. It's used for prying things apart. And then that frame back there, that's where it says that's where the bees have their foundation to build wax. So these are all the things, or some of the things.
Okay, please give me down.
Yeah, these are some of the things that beekeepers use. You want to be a beekeeper?
Yeah.
You're not afraid of bees no more?
Well, you need to be a beekeeper.
I'm afraid of bees, girl.
Please.
Yeah.
Mommy, what is that?
This is the skeleton of an owl. That is, you are very demanding. This is a bold-faced hornet.
No, this right here.
This guy, that's a gray fox. Say gray fox.
Gray fox is a real.
No, that's not real. I hope it ain't real.
Mommy, is that real?
No.
Well, you're thinking it because they have big eyeballs.
It looks like it's real.
Yeah, because they have big.
So, okay, we got red leaf, yellow leaf. Want to read that one?
Yeah.
Or they have the giant jumperee with the elephant. How about that one? Or red leaf, yellow leaf?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got spotted. Whoever has spotted, that means.
Can I sit with you?
Yeah.
You know, if you go
And next to
ways,
me.
one
Look.
What? Let's see. Ready? So this is red leaf, yellow leaf. Where's the red leaf? See one? There's another one. Yep. You see any yellow leaves? Good job.
And sticks.
Yeah, I do see the stick too. Yes. Okay. Red leaf, yellow leaf. I've been saving this little leaf from my sugar maple tree so I can show it to you. I love my tree. See? It was born long before I was. The wind blew seeds from the big maple trees in the woods. They twirled and whirled as they flew to the ground. You see the leaves? Yeah. Show mommy. Seeds the squirrels didn't find. You're in a treehouse?
Pretend I'm a little kid.
You are a little kid.
Pretend I'm a tiny little kid.
Okay. What you gonna do in your
Oh,
treehouse?
look, a mirror right here.
A mirror? Can you see yourself? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna get out.
Yeah? Wait.
We're to do this other one.
You need me to do that one? Okay, I'm gonna help you. Wait, you gotta bring him down. Go this way. Come there, Birdie. Where you going?
Mommy, you twisted it the wrong way.
Oh.
But you go this way.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh, good job, Lonnie. You smart. So he only gets down this low. He don't come all the way down here. Yeah.
Hi, little bird. Mommy, let's go up here now.
Go up now. Bye, little birdie. See you later. Cool.
Okay, let's do this.
What?
This.
You okay?
Okay.
Show me what you do. It's like a magnet, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
I gotta get it to the green one.
Good job. It won't go right here. You playing with the little thing again? Yeah. Okay. Wanna bring it over here? Wanna bring it over here?
You wanna help you guys? Get this tree away from us. It's not outside. It's supposed to be outside. Mommy,
Yes.
the camera next to me.
It can see you, boo-boo. Oh,
We gotta get it in it here.
yeah?
Yeah. Because these are his babies. They don't want to go. The baby don't want to go.
No?
No. They think I want to stay in there. What is this? Mommy!
What is that? Let's go see.
What is that?
A beaver.
A beaver?
Go next to the beaver. It's fake. Can't get you. Go in front of it so I can take a picture.
It's his tail?
Right in front of it. Where he go?
Huh?
Stand right here.
Mommy, don't do that.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Beaver. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Awesome.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. One here with these now.
And these are, where are these?
Mommy, what are these though?
Just little shapes.
No, we
Can I
gotta
teach
make
you
a
some-
house. We gotta make a house with it.
Okay, can I teach you some shapes?
Yeah?
Okay. So let me show you something. So this yellow one, let's count the size. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if it has 6 sides, that means it is a hexagon.
Yeah.
Say hexagon.
Hexagon. This have 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 sides is a
Square.
Good
So
job.
that means you have to put 2 squares.
So how many does hexagons have?
6.
6. Good job.
Wait.
I think that's a trapezoid. I can't remember. I believe that's a trapezoid. Show me it. Can you find a diamond in there?
Diamond?
Let me see.
Diamond?
Good job. High five.
And this is the triangle. You have 1, 2, 3.
3 sides. Perfect. Can you find a brown hexagon?
This?
Good job. I'm right here, baby.
Oh.
Oh, wow. So these are actually cairns. These are called cairns. And it says they were used as monuments and landmarks. Stacking stone. These are stacking stones. That's cool. So it says they require patience and stillness to balance the stones one atop the other. Okay, let me see if I can do it right now.
Can I do it with you?
Yeah, mommy gonna see if she can stack the stone.
Slide and all.
You got, look, listen. It says they require patience, focus, and stillness. So that means you have to be patient when you're trying to stack them. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they do be slipping on. I got one.
Can you help me?
Yeah, let's do it together. Hold this. Hold it like this.
Wait.
Now, gently put it on there.
Okay.
Gently. Let it go. Good job. We stacked them. Okay, let's see if we can stack these.
Okay.
Do this, get the small one. But you gotta do it really gentle. Because they require patience and focus.
Mommy, you did it.
Good
I'm gonna do this one now.
Okay.
Please don't knock it off.
Good job. Uh-oh. You might have to put this one. So let's put this back. Put that one first because it's bigger, and then that one can rest on top of it. Careful, careful, careful.
Okay, let me try again.
Okay, good. Good job for trying again. Okay. There you go.
Get it go.
Perfect. Now, to put this one on there, you gotta be super still.
Get this.
Stillness. Patience, focus, and stillness.
Get this. I'm gonna put my arm up here and then see how you.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait, I didn't do it that good.
Okay.
I'm gonna put them on my hand like this.
Okay.
I'm scared.
You did it!
Can we put these ones up top down below?
Yeah.
These big ones.
Good.
You probably have to get it today home.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do. Come over here, Mommy.
I'm coming. I was just getting my tripod. Go ahead. Show me what it's doing.
We gotta get it to.
Oh, let me get my purse. You did?
Yeah.
Good job.
Now time to use this one too.
You have to use the bathroom? Yeah. Come on.
Come on.
Mm-hmm. Yep, they close at 4:30, so we got a few more minutes.
Just one look in here. Mommy,
Wow.
just one look because I want to go back.
Okay, I want to see what's in here.
Mommy.
This is a bobcat.
I know.
That's Pop name Bob.
Yeah, well, can we?
Look, these.
Mommy,
Yes.
just one look. I want to go back.
And do what? Play with the sand?
Yeah.
And then can we come back over here, compromise?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Because mommy wanted to see what was in there. They about to close, so you got to hurry up with your sand, okay?
Okay, well, we're not going to take that on because
All right.
all we have to do is get them to their house.
All right, go get your balls to the house, and then we're gonna go back over there, and then we're leaving. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oop, that's 2. Last one.
Where's the rest of the ball?
I don't know. Maybe it's lost, baby. Good job. You got them back to their house. Great
One more
job.
time.
Go ahead.
You want to do it with me?
I'm recording you for your vlog.
Let's do a different house.
Okay. Doop. Greenhouse. Time for the red house. Doop. Red house. Time for the black house. Boop. Black
One
house.
more time.
One more time, then we're going to see the other room, okay?
Okay. Let's do an iron on.
Great
I'm
job.
gonna make a hand. Time motion. Time motion. Time motion.
All right, come on, baby.
Good thing that you know crickets.
You ain't see no crickets?
No.
Give mommy a hand.
You're too fast.
I'm sorry. So this is a bobcat.
A bobcat.
A bobcat. And this is a Gulf Coast spiny soft shell turtle.
You see, look at
Oh, I never seen a soft shell turtle before.
Oh, mommy, I see a soft toast turtle.
Wow, now that is cool.
You guys,
I never seen a turtle with a soft
his
shell.
mouth is weird.
It does. It does.
Sorry,
that
Mr.
is cool.
Soft turtle.
That is real
Mommy,
cool.
look a fishy right here.
Okay.
2 fishies, they buddies.
Yeah, they real small
Mommy,
too.
look, another fishy.
Wow, they little
And a
tiny ones.
baby fishy.
Yeah. Oh, he eats those. He eats fish and invertebrates.
The turtle?
So these type of turtles are found in North Carolina, Florida, Louisiana. That's cool.
Okay, now let's go over there. Oh, those kind of...
This is a tundra swan. You ever seen a swan?
No. And
Wow.
it's all wet.
Yeah.
I didn't get wet.
This is a barred tiger salamander.
Is this real?
Look at this. No, that's fake, honey. Look at the salamander.
Do it have water in there? Do
A
it
little
have...
bit in his bowl.
Oh, that's his swimming pig.
Look at him. He just chilling.
That's his swimming pig.
Yeah. He just chilling. That is an eastern box turtle.
Yeah. Oh, it's not in there.
No, it's not. That's just a shell.
Oh.
Yep. Can live for up to 100 years though.
What are these again?
Those are amphibians.
Amphibian?
Yeah, so a leopard frog, a toad, a salamander. That's the salamander is that one that's over there. That thing over there is this thing. Look. This guy, salamander.
Wait, let me see the salamander. Big salamander.
And that's a little one over there.
Okay, let's get out of here now. It's about to kill us.
All right. Okay, guys, so Alani and I just finished at the Nature Museum. Did you have fun, Mama? She said she had fun. You heavy, girl. I don't know why you think somebody's gonna be carrying you. So I had a good time myself. I learned a lot about different nature animals that I had no idea about. So that was really fun. And we got to spend some bonding time together. She is walking on logs. So we actually have to go get ready for school tomorrow. So she needs to get her hair done. And we need to go pick up her grandma. So we hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and say we'll see you guys in the next one.
We see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to comment below.
All right, cool. Comment down below. Hit the thumbs up on the video, right, Lonnie? And we'll see you guys in the next